Water is poured into the dish that will be served together. African rural cuisine is very famous for its delicious taste. The spices that seep into the layer of meat to the deepest layer. With this dish ready, served in front of everyone, who has painstakingly collected the ingredients? The stomach that has been growling made, their tongues trembling violently, and there came the sound from the organs in their stomachs. Make them impatient to quickly taste the dishes they are making and look very passionate.